I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated with your Vanguard 2026 account, activating notifications is a breeze. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Vanguard app. Launch the Vanguard app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the app. Step 3. Find Notification Preferences. In the Account Settings, locate the Notification Preferences section. This is where you can customize what alerts you want to receive. Step 4. Enable Notifications. Toggle on the notifications you wish to receive. You can choose from options like Market Updates, Account Activity, or News Alerts. Step 5. Save Changes. After enabling your preferred notifications, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the screen. Remember, if you don't see the notifications you want, double check that your device settings allow notifications from the Vanguard app. Happy investing!